Well, it's Monday. Hi, everybody. I'm Jewel, and this is J7409 Weather. Thank you so much for clicking play and checking out the general weather forecast for the United States with me today. I appreciate it very, very much. Looking at the watches and warnings map here, looking pretty good. Look at all of these clear skies from Maine to Florida. Doesn't mean a pop-up thundershower won't happen. Today being the first day of June, it is the first day of official hurricane season for 2020. Also, it's the first meteorological first day of summer. How about that? So, we will have that chance of pop-up showers, and I'll show you where coming up. So far as severe weather goes, not too bad today. I'll show you, but I will go ahead and tell you, look out tomorrow. It's going to be nasty in places. As we look at this map up here, we see in parts of Wyoming, Montana, where this green is, a little bit here of northeastern Utah, and over in Colorado. This is flood warnings. You guys have got saturated like crazy here lately. You have those rounds of showers and thunder showers again, and you are under a flood warning, so be aware. Now, when we come down into this area of Arizona, heat. I'm telling you what, it's going to get hot. 10 to 15 degrees above average, and from Nevada to Utah over into parts of northern Colorado, right in here, red flag warnings. So that's going to elevate the critical fire weather conditions once again in these areas. Now, as we look at the categorical outlook for severe weather for today, Monday, you can see the pop-up showers may happen down in Florida, portions of Alabama and Georgia, most of Texas, just a little bit left out. Everywhere, you see this green. We got a chance of pop-up showers. Heaviest showers should be in here. No chance of tornadoes, it doesn't look like, or severe winds, or severe hail. The wind could pick up in this area some, but it shouldn't be too severe. Now, I said tomorrow would change. I'm going to give you a brief outlook. You can see, as the systems travel from west to east, it's going to be kind of nasty, all the way up to a number 3 in parts of southern Minnesota, over into parts of western Wisconsin, everywhere in here. We'll get to this tomorrow. I'm just giving you a heads up. You do tomorrow have a 5% chance of tornadoes happening, 30% chance of severe downdraft winds, and you also have a large 30% chance of some heavy hail. So I wanted to go ahead, give you a heads up, and let you know. Now, when we come over to the NAM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits, this will take us right on through the next 3 days. Turn it on, let it roll through, and I'm going to tell you why all of this stuff is happening. The front over the northern plains, it's going to move slowly eastward to the lower Great Lakes by Wednesday, while the western portion of the front becomes quasi-stationary over the upper Midwest. Now, this is going to cause showers and thunderstorms to develop along the associated warm front over the upper Mississippi Valley by today, and that will move into the Great Lakes by this evening. Now, the region of showers and thunderstorms will move into the lower Great Lakes by Tuesday morning, and then into the northeast by Tuesday evening. Along the quasi-stationary front, showers and thunderstorms will develop tomorrow over parts of the upper Midwest, and some of these storms will be severe, possibly producing hail greater than 2 inches in diameter. By Wednesday, severe thunderstorms will develop again over parts of the upper Midwest, producing hail and damaging thunderstorm gust. So I gave you a heads up. I showed you what was coming. Now I've told you why. Meanwhile, moisture from the western Gulf of Mexico should move into Texas, while upper-level energy should aid in producing these showers and thunderstorms over the western Gulf Coast region through Wednesday. And parts of the west, it should continue to experience an expansive dome of summer heat. It's going to spill out into the northern plains. Your temperatures today will rise well into the 90s across the northern and central high plains, with the west coast temperatures returning to summer-like levels also. One region that manages to stay below normal through Tuesday is the East Coast. Now, we've just had this cold front move through, if you want to call it that. It's very pleasant out there, though. But it's going to warm back up by Wednesday or Thursday. We're going to be in the 90s, and it's going to stay very warm for a while. Now, the growing area of sweltering temperatures, along with relatively dry and gusty conditions, that's making the fire weather a very big growing concern, most notably for the Four Corners and the Great Basin region. And that's, as I've showed you, you do have this critical risk for fire weather. It continues today into the Great Basin, and elevated risks for fire weather extend east into the western Colorado area and southward into the lower Colorado River Valley area. So that's a check of your weather today and what's coming up in the future couple of days ahead. So please be ready and please be prepared. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, my friends, and may each and every one of you have peace, love, and kindness in your lives. Thanks for watching.